This 2025 Grand Design Lineage 25FW is a Class C RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 25 feet 8 inches in length and features Sleeps 4, Awning, LP Detector, water heater, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, TV, slide-out, air conditioning, refrigerator, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath. This 2025 Grand Design Lineage 25FW is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4500 cab chassis and is powered by a twin-turbo 2.0 LTR. Inline 4-cylinder engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.